In this video, I'd like to explain why Persisio is the best option in many clinical guidance scenarios. The two technologies commonly used for medical guidance are electromagnetic and infrared tracking, both offering high levels of accuracy and precision. However, these technologies do not address the key challenge that is locating the patient's position in 3D space. When using CT scan images in extended reality mode, virtual data must be overlaid on the patient, and to achieve this accurately, we need to know the exact position of the patient in real world. To locate the patient, or at least a part of its body, a common technique is to use markers. Markers such as Haruko tags or infrared reflective elements are placed on the body during the scanning and serve as reference points during the procedure. However, these methods have limitations. First, the marker constellation is not optimized to track body deformation, such as changes caused by birthing. Secondly, the setup can be complex to deploy in clinical environments. Let's recall that Persisio uses a depth camera to determine the position of the patient. No markers are required. In this video, we can observe two key elements. First, in purple, there is a point cloud representing what the camera sees, which corresponds to the real world. In the same window, we also see the hologram that Persisio has accurately placed over the abdominal phantom. Before we dive into how Persisio tracks needle or any medical instrument, we need to talk about an important feature that both electromagnetic and infrared technologies provide. This feature can be named the in-flight mode. The in-flight mode refers to the accuracy of the instrument's position when it is not in contact with any physical surface. In the case of medical applications, what really matters is the accuracy when the instrument is in contact with the patient, or at a very close range. This is where precision truly matters. This accuracy when in flight can be required in some video games, or in this example, where it is used in a 3D painting application. In this case, it is necessary to know the exact position of the brush wherever it is. In medicine, tracking the instrument in low quality when it flies is not a problem, and not covering the in-flight requirement allows more flexibility in the design. Let's go through it. When the problem of the pose is solved, once the system has a perfect understanding of the object's position, it becomes easy to send a signal on the surface. In this short demonstration, I'm using a red dot laser to illuminate the surface of the abdominal phantom. On the left side of the screen, you can see the laser moving across the physical model. On the right side, we display its virtual counterpart, where the laser appears at the exact same position on the hologram. The slight gap you may notice is due to the synchronization delay between the two cameras during the recording. Now, let's explore how we can leverage this setup. Here is a prototype version of the needle attachment. The two key components for understanding the tracking method are the red laser, which is connected to a microcontroller, and the white wire, which is linked to a touch sensor. The touch sensor electronically measures the capacitance of the physical body in contact with the needle. This allows the system to detect precisely when the needle touches the patient's skin. At that moment, the red laser is triggered, enabling Persisio to accurately position the virtual needle within the holographic model. Once the needle is correctly placed on the hologram, it becomes easy to extrapolate its trajectory and alert the practitioner when the needle is aligned with the target. Every technical details of the Persisio system cannot be disclosed in this video. Nevertheless, it should be enough to demonstrate that more simple solutions are available for needle guidance. Thank you for watching.